This is so Jameka coming back to you with another video, and today this is for all my small YouTubers. So get ready, get set, Lego. This is for all my small YouTubers, and I'm not no up there YouTuber. I am still a small YouTuber, but I think that I'm growing rather quickly. I'm just going to give y'all some tips on how you can make your first 100 subscribers within a month. Right now I have my trusty book. You know I'd be recording off my phone. So right now I'm stuff in a book. Don't mind that page, just for another book. I got myself a book, so let's just get into the video. Before we get into this video, like, comment, and subscribe. So how did Jameka earn her first 100 subscribers within, I can't really say a month because it was less than a month, but like 20 to 25 days. So the first one is have a good layout. Your channel is the first thing that people see after they watch your video. Let's say your video shows up on their recommendations and they say, oh, let me see another YouTube. So, let me see this YouTube. Click on your subscribers or whatever. And click on that and they're gonna see.
Where's our background? Where's our picture? Yeah.
So, they're gonna look at that, all that, and they're gonna play, oh, like, she's a small YouTuber, that's why, I guess. Look interesting or whatever. To make sure that your layout of your channel is very appealing to everyone. Like my layout, okay, I have a backdrop, right? I need to work on it because it's just as so Jameka, like, comment, and subscribe. I need to work on it because that's where I get, like, when I realized, okay, I gotta do a backdrop, because I was watching like video people who was explaining about this and stuff like that, and I will link their YouTube in the description because they're really helpful, I'm not gonna lie. But I watched them and they was telling me everything I was doing wrong, so I was just like, oh, how do you do that? So I was just like, I'm gonna just do it on my phone, and they're saying I can't do it on my phone, so I was just like, okay, I can use a laptop to do it. And then I made it on my phone. I get like the what size it's supposed to be, and I just did it on my phone. This one is a nice video. Okay, this video might not be the best video, but you need to make sure that your surroundings is like, you don't hear nothing in the background when you're talking. Then make sure that the background, let's say you're doing a how-to video, you need a background, or you need like a good area where it's clear, they can see you. You can see me shooting so that it's clear, so that people who want to watch you know what you want your channel to be about, what your channel is going to be about. Okay, my channel is mostly about beauty, and my channel is mostly about lifestyle. My channel is mostly about tutorials on my hair. So with that being said, if my channel is about these things, that means I'm supposed to be doing these things. Lifestyle can stand under anything. Lifestyle can be vlogs or what I'm doing right now. Not how to. Well, this is basically a how to, but you get where I'm coming from. You have to know what your channel is going to be about. If your channel is, okay, let's say you start off with one thing, right? You have to make it known our viewers won't get confused with what you're actually doing. But I'm not gonna say like keep it like to one thing. If you say your channel is about basically what's going on in your life, it's fine. Whatever you do, it's fine. But if you're saying, okay, I'm gonna do a Q&A the first, or that's another thing. That's basically all I'm gonna say about that. Let's say you say I'm gonna do a smash and basket stage, and I'm gonna this day, and then I'm gonna put I'm gonna do pranks this day. I mean, I'm not saying that you can't do it, but like make it known. I don't know how you're gonna make it known. Like make it known in your flyer bio that you do everything for a YouTuber. Everything you want, everything you need, everything you want to make you laugh and stuff like that, you're for that. Okay? So the next thing is watch video influencers who know what they're talking about. That's another thing. When I started YouTube, I was just like, I'm gonna just put my intro in and I'm gonna figure out what my video is gonna be about. And I had a lot of help who was telling me, okay, do a video, do what you love best, do your hair. Like, okay, but I don't really just want to do it for my hair, I want to do other things. But, yeah. So, I watched video influencers and they told me like, okay, when you start a YouTube channel, do not do this. When you start a YouTube channel, do this, do that. And it works for them. So I was just like, okay, maybe I need to change up my game. Talk to more to you so you can actually see what I'm saying to you. What I'm saying. So like, they explained all this to me and I was just like, wow. Like, wow. I was really doing something wrong. So yeah, if you want to know who I watch, just look in the description box. Look in the description box. They're gonna thank me for this. They're gonna thank me for this. You're gonna thank me for this. So like, do not watch what other YouTubers are doing. Something that I am very guilty about. Okay, like I look at certain YouTubers, like I look at my friends as YouTubers, right? My YouTube friends, and I'll be like,
why are their channels going so fast? And I feel like my channel is moving so slow. Like nobody's watching my videos. I'm doing the promotions, I'm doing everything, and nobody's watching my videos. Like what I have to do for you guys to get me to watch the video? Do I have to change my content what I want to do or something like that? And I'm just like, why are these people getting so much more subscribers than me? Why are people getting much viewers than me?
Then I was like, you can't be watching other YouTubers because you're gonna get discouraged and you're not gonna want to do YouTube no more because you're thinking, hey, something's wrong with my content, something's wrong with what I'm doing. Well, if you feel like something's wrong with what you're doing, change it. Well, if you feel like you're not like to the audience, like they're saying, oh, I really can't hear you what you're saying inside your videos, could you please speak louder in the next video, then change it up. Bring your personality out. I mean, sometimes I don't really bring my personality out. Bring your personality out, make sure people know who you are, and that's, you need to bring up your personality. I'm just telling you how I got my first 100 subscribers. But bring your personality out because people want to see like, oh, she's so funny, oh my gosh, like she's so upbeat and stuff like that. I mean, in my first video, I wasn't that bad. I was talking, telling you what I'm gonna do next. If you want to see my video, just right there, right there. So have patience. Like I was so caught, I did not have patience at all because like I dropped my first video and I only had like 20 or 30 subscribers and I was just like,
Why are we so good?
I was expecting like the first video to drop, I was gonna spot, but but I was just like, Jameka, you're not gonna get it that fast. So I was just like, okay, we'll give it some time. We can drop some other videos and we're gonna give it some time because we just gonna give it some time. Okay, just gonna give it some time, and then over time that 30 turned into 50, that 50 turned into 75, and that 75 turned into 90, 90 turned into 99, and then it turned to 100 subscribers and going on. Have a thumbnail. Well, easy. How do I put on a thumbnail? A lot of people ask me that, like when they're starting out YouTube, how do I put on a thumbnail? You go to YouTube Studio, you download YouTube Studio, or you can do it on your laptop. Click on the pencil and it says edit thumbnail, customize thumbnail, or whatever, or they give you an option what's inside your, like the little boxes would have like 3 pictures of you inside of it. So all you basically gotta do is go let me tell you some tricks and flicks on how I make a thumbnail. Like I use random phone tone. I don't think I pronounced it right. I use Pixar. I could use you could use any picture editing app. Just make it yourself, make it unique, and make it appealing to people. Please, I gotta go pick up my book. Write down your ideas. Something I had to learn because I was just like, I get to think of these things on the top of my head, and I'm just like, I'm gonna do it. And I was just like, it's not gonna work because I'm not gonna remember what I'm actually going to do. So I started writing down my ideas. This goes for my YouTube, my business, and I will do a video for my business. Well, not really video for my business, but like my small business owner tips. Because like I was feeling motivated to do one of those, and I was just like, I'm a small business. Let me show y'all some tips. It's like I'm gonna do something like that. Promote your channel. Basically, how I promote my channel, I make flyers, make posts, make a broadcast list, send it to WhatsApp, Instagram, other people's channels. Like I'd say you want to do a shout out for shout out, I shout out your channel, you shout out my channel, and yeah, this is basically how you promote your channel. You just get it out there, get other audience from other people's channels, and to bring it to you, and then the people from my channel could go to you, so we can get some interesting people. You know what I'm saying? So that's basically how I promote my channel. I make flyers and stuff. And like, if you're watching my video, you probably got my video from a flyer saying, oh, go watch So Jameka, because Jameka is the best. Okay? You probably get it from me. You probably get it from someone else with their status or something. Or you get it from Instagram. You're just like, oh, let me check this video. Oh, she looks like she knows what she's doing. She looks like she. I keep going on or whatever. But yeah, you gotta promote your channel. If you're trying to just earn subscribers from the other side of town, and you're just waiting for someone, the right person to see your channel but not promoting it, maybe it's gonna go slow. It's really gonna go slow. You're gonna be like, you're gonna be going like that. Keep good content, and I already explained that, so yeah, keep the content. And the last one is join a small YouTubers group. Easy, small things. I own my own small YouTubers group. I made one because like I was just like I was in a small YouTubers group and there's like 30 something people in it. This is just for like Bahamian based people, and I want to go inside like a different one where it's different people who I can talk to and stuff like that. But even though it's Bahamian based, it's still talking to different people who's not just where I am based. So yeah, so how I made this small YouTubers group, I said, well, the first day, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really consistent on sending like, okay, this is another tip, this is a helpful tip, this is tips on how to do this. I haven't been consistent because I felt like I already said like all of the things what I needed to say, and people just like, oh my gosh, thank you, I should like take the time out to like make these yeah, because I like make like little flyers to be like, okay, YouTubers, small YouTubers, helpful tips. I might put like a picture of one of them over here. Like, if you're in that group, you would know what I'm talking about. You would know what I'm talking about. But like to say, hey, this is what you do, this is what you need to do to be big, this is what you need to do so we could be like small YouTuber who looks big. And people are gonna think, oh, she's like really good at what she do for such a small YouTuber who have no experience, like who's just starting out, like she's really doing good. So I just like, thank you. But here you go. These are some helpful tips on how to get 100 subscribers within a month. Start your channel now. I have a ring light, I have a background, but I wasn't really waiting until I was just using what I have. Like, this isn't really a background, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. If you know what it is, then you're a smart guy. You're smart. But I was just like, I want to start a YouTube channel now, and I'm going to start by doing something I love to do, fix my hair. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna just do my hair. As YouTubers, to be big is a lot. You talk to like, let's say you're trying to do a vlog and it's like she This is the end of this video. I hope that y'all loved it. I hope that y'all subscribe because like it's the best thing to do. Go ahead, subscribe. This is the end of Jameka. Sign out, but not forever. Peace, period, poo. And I'm coming back to y'all with more videos coming soon. So stay tuned, stay relaxed, and keep vibing. Because I'm coming back with new videos. So